Okay, Mrs. McBride again. Just want to extend our knowledge a little bit about tangents. It says here, if two segments drawn from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, then the segments are congruent. What that means is this. If I had an exterior point, okay, so this point is outside the circle, and I construct a tangent here, so it touches the circle at one point there, and I construct, oh sorry, I didn't mean to turn my paper, another tangent here, okay? These two tangents, these two segments are both tangent to the circle. They touch the circle at one point, and they originate from the same exterior point. These segments will always be congruent. So, let's move this out of the way. Let's look at example 1 right here. Okay, we want to find x. Well, these two tangents originate from the same exterior point. This first segment is tangent to the circle there. The second segment is tangent to the circle there. I know that these segments are congruent to each other. So to find x, I simply have to set 4x minus 8 equal to 2x plus 6. Subtract the 2x from both sides. I get 2x. Add the 8 to both sides. I get 14. So x is 7. Okay, let's extend that knowledge a little bit further. Here they're asking us to find the perimeter of the triangle. Hint, find x first. Okay, so what you have here is, if I cover up parts of the picture, you can kind of see this. If I cover up this part of the picture, you can see that I have a tangent here originating from this exterior point, and a tangent here originating from the same exterior point. These two that I highlighted in blue here are two tangent segments that originate from the same exterior point. They're both tangent to this circle. So I know that this distance is 6. Okay, if I look at the next one, if I look at this point right here, you can see that this is tangent to the circle and this is tangent to the circle. They originate from the same exterior point. So these two tangent segments must be congruent to each other. That one must be 9. Okay, so as you can see, you actually don't even have to find x to do this problem. But same thing here. This segment and this segment are both tangent to the circle, so this guy must be 10, which must mean x is 5. So now the question is, what's the perimeter of this triangle all the way around? Well, it's pretty simple. This side is 16 because this part's 10 and this part's 6. This side is 15 because this is 6 and this is 9, and this side is 9, and this side is 10 because it's congruent to that one, so that side is 19, and you add them all up and you get 40. So the perimeter of that circle, the perimeter of that triangle is 40 units. Okay, just want to extend that knowledge just a little bit further on tangents.